Hello friends, welcome to this orientation session for Parakram 2.0 2027 for computer science. In this batch orientation, I am going to take you through the various different aspects of these batches that are going to start from tomorrow, which includes the batch features, which also include the yearly planner and different aspects related with the app. So let's start our orientation session with this. Now the batch is Parakram 2.0 2027 for computer science, and this is going to start from tomorrow, that is the 23rd February. This batch has a different many features, and which includes here in this case is this batch is for the 2027. One point I want to add here in this case is that if you are preparing for 2027, then this is the batch and this is the right time for you to start your preparation, which includes here the prerequisite lectures that is very much required for the strong foundation. Lecture planner is already available, and that lecture planner is the yearly lecture planner, that throughout the year that how the batch will be, how the classes will be conducted, and when it is going to finish our syllabus. All things will be available in the lecture planner. Questions that we are going to do in the classes as well as in the DPP forms will also include all the three categories of the questions: MCQ question, MSQ question and NET question. This year in 2026 in the set 1 paper there are 24 MSQ questions were asked. Okay, and that required a very specialized practice that we do in the class. The lectures are here live plus a recorded lecture. So if you want to attend the lecture live, you can come and join. And if suppose you miss the lecture and you want to catch this lecture, or you catch up with this lecture later, or you want to complete this lecture later, so that will be available in the recorded form. Daily practice problem will be provided along with the solution to you. One of the major aspect of any competitive examination is the pattern and the previous year question, and that will be also provided to you in the quiz format along with the video solution. Okay, for all the PYQ there are video solutions are present over there. Doubt engine. Okay, once you're learning, definitely you bound to have some doubt related to this, so those doubt engines can help you to solve your problems, and these doubts in that doubt you can ask anytime during the lecture or in the recorded form also. You can go through to the lectures and you can click the slide. I'll show you later that how we can how can we ask doubt in this doubt session, doubt engine. Okay, regular test will be there, weekly test will be there, that you will feel that whatever content that we are covering in a weekly basis, you have to go and give the test for it. Okay, and detailed analysis report and the self evaluation after the test. These are the batch features, and I believe that whatever a student need for giving the competitive examination or preparing for the competitive, almost not every aspect, more than that every aspect has been covered in this case, in this batch features. Now the most important part, as I said, that when this batch going to start and when going to end and what will be the flow, that all will be present in the yearly planner. So friends, this is your yearly planner, and in this yearly planner you can see that the Monday 23rd February we are going to start the batch from 7 a.m. in the morning. Okay, so that is the starting point of this batch, that in Monday tomorrow 23rd February is going to be start, followed by digital logic, followed by database management system, algorithm COA, followed by theory of computation, computer network operating system, discrete mathematics, compiler design, C programming, and this is going to finish your syllabus by October 30. Okay, now why I'm saying it is very important is because when you finish your syllabus by October 30, then you get ample amount of the time. You have November, December and January. What happens when you prepare for this long period is that when you are coming to the last subject, maybe let's say C programming, it bound to you may be forgetting some aspect, so revision is required. So continuous revision is required. So those October, November, after October, November, December and January, 3 months will be available for you to go through the preparation part, go through the notes and go through the test and then mock test and improve your performance. So that period you can utilize for the improvement purpose. So these are the this thing is very important, and along with that, time is also given to you. Early start, those who start early always have the advantage for it. Okay, so these are the batch features, these are the planner within that. Now the faculty pool is very strong in India, and you can see that lead by Vishwadeep sir will be handling computer organization and operating system. Satish Yadav sir will be handling database management system and discrete mathematics. Venkat sir will be handling compiler design and theory of computation. Me, I'll be handling C programming and data structure. Aditya Jain sir will be handling algorithm. Abhishek Sahu sir will be responsible for computer network. Aptitude will be given to Ratan sir, and he one of the best faculty in India. And Vinay sir will be handling your mathematics. Okay, so this is the faculty pool that will be handling all the subject and help you in your preparation journey. The batch, there are three categories of the plans are available with this batch, that is Infinity Pro plan, and that is the most that includes every aspect other than the preparation part, because there are many other things apart from the attending the live classes and the feature that I mentioned. Apart from that, what more you can have here in this cases, as I mentioned in the classroom coaching, that is live and recorded, topic wise practice sheets, test, doubt solving, all are available. But if you go for the infinite learning, then you will get the access to Khajana, the pre-recorded lecture from different faculties, part of PW. You will get previous year question in a book format. That was a quiz format, will be already it is given to you, but it will be available in the book format. You will get the test series, which is one of the most important aspect to fine tune your preparation. You will also get one-to-one mentorship, where you can connect it to your mentor and you can discuss your problems with your mentor. Interview guidance program, that will be also given to the infinite learning. Another feature that has been added in this case is the Infinite Pro. What is Infinite Pro? You will get the set of 3 books to boost your preparation, and it is also written Abhyas Practice Booster. Okay, so practice books will be available in Infinity Pro part, that will be available to you. You will get free access to 1500 super 1500 question practice batch. Okay, so in this batch, in 1500 batch, we discuss 1500 problems, including every subject, not from one subject, including every subject we discuss 1500 problems, and we'll create a close group with the faculties, which student and faculty will be part of, and you will get the review session with the faculties as well. Okay, so you can see that what is available, what features is available in which plan, and currently you can see that this is the normal, Infinity and Infinity Pro plans are available in this. Okay, now moving on, next here in this we can see that this is the workbook feature, the practice book that I said, and what I find the student is very keen for, they are moving here and there to identify or search the places where they can do the practice. Why to go anywhere if you have this practice book available in the one of the feature or one of the plans that has been offered, that is Infinity Pro plan. This practice book is it is for GATE only, and the complete coverage of the latest GATE syllabus, detailed, easy to follow text solution. Understand, these are the text solution, expert design content by the top faculty, and difficulty wise organized question for the stepwise learning. So these are the workbook feature, and these are part of which plan. Understand that this all books are part of your Infinity Pro plan, that you can see here, that Infinity Pro plan, this is available. Now let's explore the batch, that where you can find this batch over here. So search batches and examination, there is a search bar in the PW app. This is the screenshot of the PW app, and there you write Parakram 2.0 GATE 2027 batch English computer science, and then this will be appear where you can go for buy now, and it says that the price is 8999. Okay, start from 23rd February. Okay, and the limited time offer, and it says that validity until 22nd of Feb. Before that, if you have taken it. So search the batch, and then you can purchase this batch. Once you purchase this batch, all classes subject wise class schedule and notification will be provided in the classroom section. Your classes, your subject wise class schedule and notice will be provided in the classroom section. So go to the classroom section, all classes, where all classes, and there in that you will find here in this cases all classes, and there once you click the all classes, you will find this that thing will appear, where there is a notice, starter kit, data structure, distology, everything is arranged as a folder format. Once you go inside this, there will be everything will be available to you. Let's go inside this folder structure. Okay. So once you go inside the folder structure, then there you will find that, suppose you are going for the discrete mathematics, then there will be chapter and study. Two sections will come, chapters and study material. So chapter will be divided, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and in a study material part, you will get the notes, you will get Gatopedia and PYQ quiz. So question definitely arises, where all everything is present. So Gatopedia is type of a short notes, you can say, that is very useful. Now you will not understand at the beginning, but later when you go through this Gatopedia, you will find very useful, and PYQ quiz will be present, so that also you will find in the study material part. All notes, DPP PDF, DPP video solution will be provided in the attachment section. Within every video, you will find that there is an attachment. Once you go into the, let's say, one chapter, inside the chapter you will go in all, you can go back to all classes. Suppose you go to this chapter Laplace transformation. So within the lecture, you can view the lecture, and within that there is an attachment. Okay, this attachment consists of the PDF file of the, or you can say no class notes, that you can refer, class notes you can refer, and within below, if you have, you will get the practice sheet, that is the DPP, daily practice problem. Okay, so you'll get the daily practice sheet within this lecture only. You don't need to search anywhere. This is the one of the thing that students worry about, and they will be keep on questioning where we find the DPP. So it is available here. DPP with their video solution will be there, and scheduled test paper will be also, scheduled test papers will be also provided. So you can access the DPP, both options are available in the text format also, PDF format, and you can go for the quiz format as well. Now doubt engine. Doubt engine is one of the one thing that I think every students will, when start studying, it will definitely have doubts, and the moment you will have a doubt, you can use this doubt engine. Suppose you are watching lectures, and within that you have select the lecture, slides will be available within this video. You can go to the slide, and here there is a section that is ask a doubt. So there you can go and click and ask the doubt. It will be addressed, okay, by offline or online, it will be addressed. Every time you will ask the doubt, it will be addressed. Now, after every video, it will ask for your views about the help, your rating will help us to improve. So you can give the feedback to the lectures, and if you have any issue about, regarding any technical issue or any other issue that you are facing, you can definitely, convey to that. Okay, convey also that video is not playing, audio problem or buffering or any other thing that you want to mention over, you can mention. So your views are important. Technical or app related query, if you get here in this cases, you can go to the app, and in this contact us section you can go, and you can, if you want, you can do the chatting. Okay, you can do the chat, or if you have any concern, then you can type your query and search issue related with your query. So that is FAQ, basically frequently asked question. You can go and ask this thing. Now if you want to reach to the support team by any means, like you have a payment related issue, suppose the payment failed, or app related, or subscription related, or books related, or batch related, you can still go through this reach to the support team here in this case, and this is in that contact us section. Okay, still you can reach to this. So that's it. That is all for this batch feature that we have, and that is all from my end. this all this thing that we have discussed over here, that you can get it, and that is going to start from tomorrow, that is 23rd February, with the subject data structure and programming, and I'll be taking those lectures from tomorrow 7 a.m. onwards. Okay, see, one important point in the preparation for any competitive examination is that early start. When you have a head start compared to others, then definitely your preparation will be better compared to others. It's a long, it's not very, 1 year is there and you feel that okay, it's a very long period of the time to take the decision. It is not, believe me, it is not. Okay, because the amount of the competition, the number of student appearing in the GATE examination, and the amount of the content you need to master, and after that you have to go through the cycle of revision, test, and revision and test, that takes time. Okay, improvement takes time, so you have to start early, and so that you can move, you can be ahead of the other person. And one of the main reason is that competition is huge. On that note, I'll stop here, and I welcome all of you to this batch, that is Parakram 2027 2.0, where we are going to begin our journey from tomorrow onwards. Thank you very much.